What do you say to a person who is making the decision that I'm going to focus on finances, which may not necessarily align with their purpose, right? What do you say to them?
You know what? We need money to live, right? We absolutely need money, because for me, when I thought about going to nursing, I thought about things that I'm good at and things that I'm not good at, right? And so as simple as that. And so one of the other things that I thought about, could I make a living from this? You know, so under the umbrella of serving, there are many different career choices that one can make, right? And so my next question that I asked myself, could I make a living from doing this? And the third one, is this back then, not now, but back then, is there job security in this? Nowadays, job security doesn't mean anything, and I'm aware of that. But I look, is this something that I can take anywhere in the world? And so those were my decisions. So somebody that is probably choosing a profession and basing it on finances, I think eventually, they may have to go that way. But eventually, I think, because I think a lot of us are doing that right now. I mean, not me right now, but a lot are in that position because of finances. And so eventually, when you are sick and tired of going to the job that is not rewarding or fulfilling, if you are true to yourself, you will start to explore and you will start to wonder, okay, there must be something more in life than this, and those are the questions. If you are true to your feelings and want to pursue your life's calling or purpose, but some of these things will lead to it. Your unhappiness in the profession that you are, you're not fulfilling, you're meaningless. 9 to 5, whatever it is, it will lead you. It'll get you to a place where, you know what, I got to pull myself to work. I need another job, and that's how it starts. And you move from job to job, and it's not fulfilling. And then again, if you're true to yourself, you'll stop, take some quiet time, and reflect, and meditate, and pray. And I did that too. Am I doing what I'm supposed to do? Because I went to, I believe I was in my early 40s or late 30s, probably late 30s. I'm in nursing, right? And I've been doing it maybe up to 22 years at this point, believe it or not. And I came to a crossroad because I was not ready to make a decision about a career change, perhaps, or even further education in nursing. And I had to stop because I wanted to know, first of all, I had a lot of time that I'd been investing and a lot of money that I will be investing. So I wanted to make sure I was making the right decision. And that's what brought me to pursue purpose. And so I realized that, yes, I'm making good money, but my job was becoming mundane. My job was becoming burdensome. There must be something more, and money was not in the conversation. It wasn't in the conversation. I was just sick and tired of what I was doing, and I wanted a change, and so I went on that pursuit. And so, yeah, money is good, money is needed, but you can, for most of us, your purpose will bring you money, right? Because it's always an umbrella of, for me, it was service. What's under that umbrella in serving people? There are positions there and career path there that you can make money at. So money is important, but you just have to, do your homework, do your research, and do your reflection, do your meditation, and have quiet time prayerfully. And I think, yeah, because money is important.
No doubt that it is, and it's necessary, and because we can't live without it, and in fact, to support some of your purposeful work, it requires some amount of money as well.